guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. It is Tuesday and you already know what time it is when it's Tuesday, if you don't know. So it is Taco Tuesday, but I'm going to bring you guys along, and before I do that, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you guys enter the giveaway. I do have a giveaway going on my channel. I will leave the video right here so you guys can check that video out, and come on, let's go cook these tacos. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So this will be everything that I will be using on my tacos and to make my tacos. For tonight, I got the ground turkey, some not tomatoes, onions, soft shell for Mariah because she doesn't like hard shell tacos, and I got hard shell for me, cheese, sour cream, lime juice, cilantro, garlic, Tabasco, and her dad's tortilla street sauce. This taco sauce and the taco original, my fave, but this actually my fave. B-Love put me on putting Tabasco on the taco, so I be doing that. But yeah, you guys, let's start whipping up because like I said, I'm hungry. But this is basically for my salsa. I'm gonna show you how I make my salsa for my tacos. We're gonna get into that. So yeah, y'all, I bought a tripod, so let's put it to work. I forgot all about that. I can actually be using my tripod. So yeah, you guys, so this is what we're gonna be whipping. I'm gonna show y'all how to make these tacos. So turn my stove on and put y'all back a little bit. See y'all like right there. Got my taco meat. This spatula to, you know, cook that, but I'm just gonna chop that up, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and so for my sauce, you're just gonna need the tomato, onions, lime, cilantro, and the garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my cutting board and cut up my onion, and make sure you guys wash your stuff off. So I'm gonna rinse this off. Onion, cut my onion. Okay, y'all, my meat is just about done, as y'all can see. I'm gonna add my cilantro to this salsa. I'm just gonna pour some in there like this. You can use fresh cilantro. It's best to use fresh cilantro, but I don't have any, so we gotta work with this. And you also use fresh lime as well, and we gotta work with this. Fresh garlic as well, and I don't have any of it, so we gotta work with this. Spoon of this, like so, and add it in there, like, and then you wanna pour. Alright, and also, oh yeah, you can also put some black pepper. I don't use salt, so I'm gonna use accent salt. That's a little bit better, or I use garlic salt. I don't use just regular salt. Put a little of that, and I'm gonna take my spoon. That up, keep stirring, and add however much or however little you want to add to that. And I also like sometimes to go ahead and add some of this too, just to give it a little bit more, you know, flavor. So I add some of that. Okay, while my shells are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan back heating again. Turn it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take some butter. All right, so I'm gonna let that shimmer and shine. So you guys, another thing that I did forget, I forgot to buy the little packs of taco seasoning, so I'm gonna just season it up myself. Like I said before, I don't really like too much seasoning on a lot of my food, so I'm gonna just season this up, use some of my favorite seasonings to season my ground turkey. I went on and drained my meat, and I'm gonna toss it in the pan. Also gonna add a little water to this. Okay, you guys, so our food is basically done. I'm gonna show you guys how I whip up my food and Mariah's food. I'll whip it up real quick. So for hers, I'm gonna add the meat. I need one of those little taco stands. Cause I barely can put the meat and stuff on it. I mean, they falling. Salsa, you could add jalapenos, but I didn't have any, so I always skip jalapenos anyway, so I don't really add that in there. And I dazzle that on there, and that is it, you guys. These are our tacos on Taco Tuesday. And also I'll normally just cut up Mariah some, either get her some vegetables if she wanted, probably do, I don't know, whatever she asked for, but also cut up some fruit as well, and she got her juice. So yeah, you guys, they are so good.